Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please do subscribe and click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you will be notified. And if you are an old subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you and your support. Kindly follow me on Instagram at Naomi_Yomi. Please follow me. I'd love to have you on my Instagram. So guys, in today's video we are doing a mini clothing haul for my son. We've got clothing items from PEP, we've got clothing items from H&M and Naartjie as well. So we've got Naartjie. Guys, my phone, you do know that I'm filming from my phone, so if some clothing don't look like the way they're supposed to be, do not blame me for it. And then we've got some from H&M, and we have from PEP as well. Like I mentioned, you cannot leave PEP out. You just cannot. So I think I'm just gonna mix everything all together so that it doesn't take time, because this is supposed to be very short, because it's not a lot of clothing items anyway. I've just seen a lot of mom do this and I was like, oh no, why not? Why don't I also do a clothing haul? Because guys, as you can see today, I'm so happy. I'm in a good mood. So first off, we have this cute t-shirt. This cute t-shirt from H&M, yeah, with little puppies on it. I think there's a cartoon show, and then it's from H&M. And then we have a pair of socks from Naartjie, and then we have those cute pants. These pants are so cute, guys. They are from H&M. I love that they're warm inside. They're very warm. There's like, yeah, it's warm. There's like another layer. I don't know if I should call it layer, but I think you do get what I'm saying. So instead of wearing all those onesies and stuff, so if it's cold and I want him to look stylish, I can obviously just dress him in this, without, so the onesies can rest. I think my son has a lot of onesies, guys. And then we have this cute Fun in the Sun Beach Party the Sunday t-shirt. It's also from H&M. Guys, my camera, you guys do know that I'm filming from my phone, so do watch ads so that I'm able to buy a camera. I'm literally filming from my phone. If you didn't know, now you know. And then we have this cute navy blue pants, shorts, sorry, navy blue shorts from H&M as well. If there's one thing about my son, guys, he's such a tall baba. He is so tall, guys. This baby is tall. And then we have this, one of my favorite. This is my favorite, guys. Like, you can obviously just dress him up in this, dress him up in a what do they call it, the body vest. His body vest, it can be white. I think white would look very nice with this because it's navy blue. And then you can just put this on top. This is how it looks like. It is from H&M. Yeah, it is from H&M. And we have this long some long sleeve shirt. It is also from H&M. Have this cute shorts. They are from Earthchild. I think it's it is a Truett's brand for babies, for kids. This cute yellow pants from Earthchild, and I do believe, I honestly feel or think it goes with this cute golf shirt. It is also from Earthchild. It's also yellow. Very cute, guys. Babies have got like cute clothing items. And then we have this animal printed t-shirt from H&M. We have, I don't think these are actually pajamas. They are pajamas. They are from PEP. Wake up and do all you can. Yeah, they are pajamas from PEP. This is how they look like, and it just says they're also available in size 12 to 18 months. These are pajamas from PEP. And then we have this cute t-shirt, short sleeve, obviously, navy blue from Naartjie. And then we have this white shirt. It's from Woolies. This should be perfect for church. And then we have the shorts. They're in my favorite color, which is green. If you didn't know, now you know. Green is my favorite color, guys. I don't want people thinking this is for girls. This is for boys, okay? They from PEP. They very, very cute. Love, 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 love. And we have this cute white t-shirt, plain white t-shirt. It is from PEP. Yeah, so this cute white t-shirt is from PEP. And then last but not least, we have this cute shorts. They are from Naartjie. They are literally so cute. And we also have this cap, navy blue. It's a navy blue cap from Naartjie as well. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. Like I said, it's a mini clothing haul. And I would also like to say this clothing items were not bought by me. This clothing items were bought by family. They actually gifts. So hopefully next time I will do a clothing haul with things that I bought. So to be quite honest, I haven't really bought a lot of clothing items. My family have been so amazing. They've been spoiling my son. Like, the only thing that I normally buy is your baby products, you know, your diapers, all the basic nyana things. But when it comes to clothing, my family are coming through, guys. This baby is such a blessing. This baby is so loved. It's like Bekeli Beke. It's just, is it Bekeli Beke? I don't know, but you do get what I'm saying. So it's like clothes after clothes after clothes after clothes. Some are in bigger sizes. Or whenever you buy something, you have to buy like ngale on the other side, where like your 3 to 6 months. Or 6 to 12 months, because he's like tall. He's like very, very tall. Okay, guys, so that's basically it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumb up, and also let me know which item was your favorite item. And yeah, just leave a comment. I know I don't reply in time, you know, but I'm gonna try to do better, guys, because I love hearing from you. I really, really love it. I'm gonna try to do my best. I'm not even, at this point, I'm not even gonna make any excuses. Yeah, do leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell. Watch the ads, people. Watch the ads, please, so girl can buy a camera, please. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.